Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Good Pocket Change. My name is Sunny, and today I want to share with you guys a really cool website that you could use to make money online. It's called TeeSpring, and what it is, it's a website that allows you to make things such as socks, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and all you really have to do is focus on the design and the marketing, and they handle the shipping and the customer service, and it's a really cool site for anyone looking to test their designing skills or test their marketing skills. And it really doesn't cost much besides the marketing and paying for the ads. So getting started is also free. All you have to do is sign up with your email. So I'm already logged in, so I'll just walk us through in creating our first t-shirt campaign. So once you're logged in, you hit start designing, and it'll bring you to this page where you'll choose what you want to design. We'll go with t-shirt apparel here. Start designing. Alright, and so here you are. You have your t-shirt, and you have options to change color, change size. If you don't want to do a t-shirt, you could do tank top. You could do stickers or bags. We'll just go with the basic tee and stick with this color. And here's where you could enter in your text, or if you have some artwork that you want to upload to the shirt, you can upload it here. So I'm just going to go with something basic. And here's the design. And with this outline box here, if your design falls outside of it, then it'll be red and it won't be able to print. So you just want to make sure that you're inside the box. Right there. Okay, and then here it gives you the option of, do you want to buy this shirt or do you want to sell it? We're going to choose sell. And once you do that, it'll take you here to this profit estimator, where basically you are choosing how many shirts you're targeting to sell. So once this is reached, then they will start printing and sending out the shirts. And the campaigns usually last, I think, they give you the option to choose how long your campaigns can last. It can last up to like a couple of days to a couple of weeks. And so I usually like to start off with, let's say, 5 or something. And then here it gives you the option to choose the price. They have their recommended price, $21.99, and it shows you right here what your profit would be with this sale price. So your profit would be $11.77, and with your target sale of 5 t-shirts, you're expected to make $58. And they give you the option if you'd like to donate your profits to a charity. Once that's done, they also give you the option to add additional styles, so that you could change this into, let's say, a hoodie. Or you could also offer a tank top with this design on it. Kind of like bundle up your sale with different varieties. You could also add it as a sticker with this design. It's pretty cool. So then once that is that, you click next. And then here's where you're basically give a title to your campaign. So let's say, and then you can put a description, something that'll get buyers to want to buy it. And then you gotta just select the category. We'll go to apparel, just so that your t-shirt falls in the right category when customers are looking for it. And then they give you the campaign length. It says US orders will arrive 10 or 14 days after the end of the campaign, so you have the option to choose have the shirts always available, batches print every 3 days, or you could put 7 days. I usually stick with always available. And then you can get a custom URL here. You could change it to something you want, or you could just keep it like this, just so that when you're creating your ads or you're doing email marketing, you have your custom link where they can directly purchase your shirt. Then once that's done, basically hit launch. And there you have it. Your shirt is up and running. So I hope you guys found this information helpful. If you do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.